Hi, I'm Elizabeth Taylor from TPAS Cymru.
And I'm David Wilton.
And today the Minister has made an announcement that the rent and service charge standard will be extended to March 2026. What does this mean for tenants?
So it means another year under the existing formula, which says if it's between 0 and 3%, the landlord can set the rent, and if inflation's over 3%, the Minister makes it. So that's been the same policy, for about 5 years or so now? Yeah, so it's a 1-year extension. I think the first thing that strikes me is the CHC have talked, and people have talked about, the rent settlement is a ceiling, not a target. What they mean by is, say if inflation's 2.5%, you don't have to go to 2.5%, it should be, you can go to where you want. My issue is the landlords seem to just set it at inflation. I don't think there's enough affordability as to what they really, what's the best rent they could set at, as in the cheapest rent they could set. So that's one of my issues that I think we need to take forward. The programme also, the announcement did say the Minister's starting to kickstart a significant review of rent, which is I think what many tenants have been calling for. A programme of work to look at affordability. There's going to be a working group on it. I think we're going to be part of it, or we're going to make sure we are. And to look at the future, isn't it, of social rent.
Yeah, so do keep an eye out because we will be carrying out some sessions on rents and affordability, as well as our tenant pulse around affordability and rents as well. So do keep an eye out on our social media.
So over the summer we will engage with you, won't we, through these different things. Your voice will be really important, and we will be there to fight for you in terms of rent settlements. So yeah,
Thanks.
Keep in touch.